Today we will learn about basic mathematics in LaTeX, how to write simple equations consisting of fractions, square roots, subscripts and superscripts. There are two types of mathematical modes. These are inline and displayed modes. In inline mode, the expression is displayed in between the text, while in the displayed mode, the expression is displayed on a new line. To write the mathematical expression in inline mode, it should come in between the single dollar symbol, like $x plus $5. The x plus 5 is written in the same line. Similarly, to write the expression in displayed mode, it should come in between the double dollar symbols, like x plus 5. Here, the x plus 5 is written on the separate new line. To write the multiplication symbol in the expression, the times command is used. For example, 3 times 5. The multiplication symbol is coming here. Similarly, to write the division symbol, the div command is used. 25 div 5. 25 divided by 5 is coming here. The fractions are written with the fraction command. It has two arguments. First argument is the numerator and the second argument is the denominator of the expression. Write the fraction command. In the first argument, write the numerator of the expression x plus 5, and in the second argument, write the denominator of the expression x minus 5. The fraction is coming here, but it is coming in small size. To display it in the normal size, write the command display style. Now the fraction is coming in the proper size. Subscripts are written with the underscore symbol and the superscripts are written with the hat symbol. After the underscore or hat symbol, the text will appear in the base or in the power respectively. For example, to write 3 in the base of x, write x underscore 3. Now 3 is coming in the base of the x. Similarly, to write 10 in the base of y, only the 1 is coming in the base and the 0 is not coming. To write the 10 in the base, enclose it in the curly brackets. Now the whole number is coming in the base of y. Similarly, to write the superscript x hat 3, x to the power of 3 is coming here. Similarly, to write more than one words in the power, enclose it in the curly brackets. Y hat 23. Y to the power of 23 is shown here. The square root is written with the square root command. Write the square root command sqrt. In the curly brackets, write the expression of the square root. For example, 2. The square root of 2 is coming here. In the curly brackets, you can also write long expression, fractions, etc. For example, sqrt x plus 3 sqrt. Write the fraction in it. Fraction command x plus 2 x minus 5. The fraction command is coming in the square root. You can also write the display style here. Now the square root is coming in the proper style. Let's write these equations here. For example, this f of x is equal to 1 plus x square can be written as f of x is equal to 1 plus x to the power 2. Here it is coming here, f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. Similarly, the second expression, f of x is equal to 1 minus square root of sqrt square root of x. The second equation is coming here. Write the third equation, f of x is equal to square root of 5x plus 10. Write the fourth equation, g of x is equal to square root of x to the power 2 minus 3 of x. The fourth equation is coming here. Write the fifth equation, f of t is equal to fraction. Write the fraction command. In the numerator there is 4 and in the denominator there is 3 minus t. It is coming in small size. Write the display style. Now it is coming in proper font and proper style. The sixth equation is g of t is equal to fraction. Write the fraction. In the numerator there is 2 and in the denominator there is t square. Write t power 2 minus 16. Write the display style command. And the sixth equation is coming here. The next one is find the domain of y. Find the domain of, it is coming in inline. Write the inline command, y is equal to, and there is fraction. Write the fraction command. In the numerator there is x plus 3 and in the denominator there is 4 minus and square root. Write the square root command. In the square root there is x square. Write x square and minus 9. It is coming here. Write the display style. Now it is coming in correct style. After this, find the range of y is equal to 2 plus square root of 9 plus x square. It is coming here. And the last one is the a function. P is a polynomial if this expression is written in the displayed mode. Write the displayed mode command. P of x is equal to a to the base n and x to the power n plus a to the base n minus 1. These are more than one word. Write it the curly brackets, n minus 1 and x to the power n minus 1 plus there are 3 dots. Write the dots command and plus a to the base 1x plus a to the base 0. The polynomial expression is coming here. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next one.